Good morning to my channel, guys. This specific video is for the IBW that we're going to have in coming week. Event is in Goa on 6th and 7th. We are riding on 5th. I just wanted to show you in two parts. One is the rider safety that I'm going to take along with me, what I have purchased recently, all the safety gears that are required for the long ride. This is a 600 kilometer one-way ride. And then on the second part, I'll show you the bike that I'm taking along, a fully scooped up bike. And I'm not going to reveal it now, but yes, I'm going to tell you later. It's a bike from Kawasaki. Anzen Kawasaki has helped me out to get the bike along, and hopefully I'm going to purchase that soon. So starting with the safety gears. Now, if you're going for long rides or even if you're going for a short ride, say 100 kilometers and everything, safety gear is a must. I have seen many bikers who, on the small bikes, R15 and stuff like that, they just wear the basic winter gear, normal helmet, gloves which fingers are not there and everything, which is not good. Safety for you is for yourself. अगर खुद को कुछ हो जाए तो बाइक लेके कुछ मतलब नहीं है, उसके आगे फ्यूचर क्या है पता नहीं है. So the basic to basic things that you need to purchase for yourself first is helmet. Now I have purchased this SMK helmet, the Gullwing series, because I like to ride like this sometimes and it gives me good air. It has the visor also inside. And plus my friend has been kind enough to gift me this Bluetooth device so we can communicate to each other during the ride. Second thing is the jacket. Now this is a Kawasaki jacket, though I may or may not be riding with this. I have a brand new LS2 jacket as well, which I had got in a offer package that I had shown in my previous video. Third is your gloves, very important, because in case of any accidents, you hit the ground, you can scrape your entire palm, which is not good. So gloves is very much important. Don't buy the gym gloves जिसमें उंगली कटी हुई रहती है and just to show off and everything. Gloves are for your protection. It protects your knuckles, it protects your palm as well. So these are the leather gloves from LS2. Then I have purchased the Skoiko knee guard. This is available on Amazon for I think around 1200 bucks. Very comfortable. It has got good amount of cushion. I can wear on the pants, inside the pants, and it comes with straps and everything. You can set up as per your comfortability. Then I have purchased the shoes, which is from Solis. So this has been given to me by a friend of mine from Thane. He has a touring accessory shop in Thane. His name is Kunal. I will share his number as well. He gave me a good discount on the shoes, very comfortable. It has got very good cushion inside if you see. This is size 11. My normal shoes are size 10, so always better to take one size bigger because when you're riding you need some space inside to move your foot and everything. And yes, safety wise, because in case of any accident you fall, you can get hit pretty bad on your legs. If the bike fall on your legs, this will save you from any fracture or anything. So basically everything is done. I've also purchased one high visibility jacket from Dirtsack, which I've been using for almost a couple of years now. You see, yeah. This gives me an option of putting mobile, wallet. It has got a couple of pockets. I can even keep a small water bottle inside, though I'm not carrying the hydration pack which is normally required if you're having a backpack. But I'm not carrying a backpack, so this is what I'm going to have with me. So this is what I have purchased so far, and part 2 I will show you what I have purchased for the bike. Now this everything that I have purchased for the bike that I have purchased is double the cost. मेरी सैलरी खत्म हो चुकी है and I'm on credit card now. अब मैं credit card के बिल कैसे भरूँ? Anyways, jokes apart, all for safety and everything. Bike is from Kawasaki, yes. तो आपको मैं बताऊंगा बाद में. And I have purchased a whole lot of things for the bike as well. I'm going to jazz it up. I'm going to show it to you in probably couple of days because कल मेरा appointment है गाड़ी का पूरा setup करने का and we are leaving on 5th. So I have ample amount of time to get the bike ready. I'm very excited for this trip. I'm very excited to meet everybody whom I know on the Facebook and everything. I have been contacting them. I have been sending them messages. I'm also going to meet the accessory group called Tivra. They have organized a small snack and get together setup just before Rajapur for anybody who's going to IBW. So अगर आप IBW जा रहे हो तो you can stop there. Location मैं डालूंगा ज़रूर. And you can get your refreshments and snacks for free. They also have a small stall of accessories that you can purchase like bungee cord and stuff and baklava and stuff on the regular go. They also have a stall in IBW in the main event, and very excited to meet everybody. If I'm not able to recognize somebody, please, if you recognize me, please come and tell me. I'll be more than happy to meet you up. And yes, this is the 12th anniversary edition of IBW happening in Vagatur, Goa. I'll see you soon. Have fun. Take care. Part 2 coming soon.